Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Rangoli series. This is the sixth Rangoli of the Rangoli series, and today we are presenting you a bird Rangoli by Mrs. Durga. And now, as you see, there are four birds standing on four specific platforms, and there is a plus sign in between, right? So this is the bird Rangoli that we are referring to. So let us see how to draw this. So to begin with, okay, so we have 10 dots, okay, along the row wise and also 10 dots along the column wise. So it forms a square collection of 10 dots. Okay, so let us see that. So we are drawing 10 rows. Now what we will do is, paper is not aligned. Let me keep it straight. Yeah, let us continue. Third row is done. Fourth row, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have done with sixth row, and then the seventh row of dots has been drawn. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ninth row has been done. Now the last row. Okay, so we have drawn the entire matrix of 10 cross 10 dots. Now let us begin. Let me draw a line connecting the two extreme dots, then 3 dots, and then the 4 dots, right? And then join the extremes, as shown here. Okay. Now repeat the same task on all the sides. 2, 3 lines, 3 dots, 4 dots. There also 2, 3, and 4. I'm just connecting the diagonals, and I am just drawing the curves over there, right? And again, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now done. Now the platforms are ready. What's the next step? We'll choose 3 dots, and then from there, we'll put a square. From each end, that means the square is being drawn at the middle of the matrix. Right, now that is also done. And the next step is, at the middle 2 dots, put a C-like structure and round the middle dot there. Right, in each one of them, symmetrically, we are doing this. Right, after that, we put a round there and point a beak towards its extreme. Put an eye. Now you hope, now you see that a bird is being clearly seen. Just drawing the feathers. Now the body is completed. Okay. Let us move it on. Right. The beak is drawn. The bird's eye is seen. And then you observe that one more bird is also been drawn. Then once again, right, and then a beak is drawn. Once you put a beak and an eye, it will be very clearly evident. Okay, so where does the structure of the bird look like? Right, the third bird is also drawn. And the fourth one, right, beak is drawn. Okay. That's it. So now you observe there are 4 birds being observed. And if I pull it towards the center, now you see the Rangoli has been done. Okay, fine. Thank you, friends. Watch, share, and like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.